Golden milk begins its warm journey the moment it enters the body, carrying ancient nourishment with every drop. As it moves into the stomach, its golden compounds gently coat the inner lining, calming digestion and preparing the body to absorb its benefits. Flowing into the intestines, the blend breaks down into tiny glowing particles that are pulled into the bloodstream and carried throughout the body. These nutrients reach the heart, strengthening its rhythm. They move through the lungs, supporting smoother breathing. They rise toward the brain, enhancing clarity, focus, and calm energy. The stomach and intestines glow with harmony as the digestive system responds to the natural balance of golden milk. Muscles begin to absorb this warm nourishment, supporting recovery and inner strength. In the gut, the microbiome awakens as beneficial bacteria interact with the golden compounds to restore stability and comfort. As the journey completes, the entire body radiates a soft, vibrant golden light, a symbol of renewal, vitality, and deep nourishment powered by golden milk.